Hey guys, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're gonna make a super cute, easy Easter craft today. I got this Grapevine Bunny from the Dollar Tree in the $5 section. So go snag you one of those. We're gonna be using a little bit of floral with some beautiful ribbon choices to make a super cute little bow. And I also pulled I'm going to do a little bit of filler to set on top of this beautiful floral. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm not a fan of the chicken wire. Not a fan of the chicken wire. So what you're going to do, oh, well this one's just pulling right out. Okay, grab your nippers and you are just going, well you don't have to. If you like the chicken wire, keep it. I'm just not a fan of it. So what I do is I just grab my nippers and I just start getting all of that wire off of our little bunny. We don't want it. We don't want it. Okay. Now, grab your needle noses though, because it does keep some wire stuck in there. So I just want to make sure that I'm twisting that wire down, that chicken wire, so it's not going to poke your client when they grab it, because you just want to be extra careful. If you can pull it out, great. I'm normally not strong enough to pull it out, so I just make sure I pin that wire down. Okay, so I'm just going around, snipping, snip all of the wire. And like I said, if you like it, you do you. If you're doing more of a farmhouse, you could totally leave it, because that would be kind of cute, right? To leave it for a farmhouse bunny. But this one, we are going to snip it all off. Snip, snippy. Get it all out of there. These nippers, y'all, I got at Home Depot. I don't even think they have the brand. I need to look up the brand because I get asked that question all the time. So I will look up the brand to those and try to put them in the description of the comments. Okay. Any little wire you see, just poke it back into that grapevine because you don't want to hurt yourself. Rookie mistake. I did that last year. And it's so cool because these already come with the door hanger. See how easy that was? So this is going to be such a cute and easy fun craft. I'm going to start off by adding just 2 of these. I got this bush from Michael's, and I am just going, or we're going to cut it just a little bit. It doesn't need to be that long. I'm just going to dip it in a little glue and work it underneath that wire. Okay, we're just gonna make like a little bow tie. We're just making a little bow tie for the guy or lady, the cute little bunny. We're gonna do the same thing and go in from the opposite side. So we're just laying a little bit of a foundation. Okay. Voila. And then we're gonna grab this beautiful floral pick, and I'm shredding it. Okay, and let's see, I don't know, the top one's gonna be so easy. Might have to work at it just a little bit. Let's see. I love this floral. I actually got this from Babam Etsy shop. She has a lot of cute florals in there. So I saw her design with this and I was like, oh, add to cart. I need that. So we're just going to shred this up and take the tag off because we don't need that. I'm going to face the bunny towards me now. And I'm just going to start placing, I'm going to use these bigger pieces that are pretty, yeah, these match. I'm going to just stick these, boop, right on top of that because they are very similar. I'm going to snip this up a little bit. Doesn't need to be that long. Okay. These are such cute pieces. And we're just dipping this in my glue pot. I have a Sure Bonder right here. It's just like barely off camera. And we are going to glue, and then I just use that wire that is already on the grapevine. And we're just gonna stick that right down in there. And the cool thing is all of these florals are wired in this cute little bush. So we can point the flowers up, which is so cool. And we're gonna do the same thing to this side. Just snip this off because it doesn't need to be that long. I'll kind of peel that back just a little bit. Dip it in our hot glue. The glue I use, guys, I get that question a lot too. It's called AdTech, and I buy it in bulk off of Amazon. Okay, guys? AdTech. It's AdTech glue. I buy it in bulk off of Amazon. Oh, I kind of want to pull this one down too because it's like this cascading effect. Oh my gosh. I mean, isn't it already adorable? It is already looking so cute. So I might not add, I might just add a little bit of this and a little bit of that because it is already looking pretty full. So we're just going to start adding in. Oh, did y'all see that? I just, thankfully that was already warmed down. I just stuck my finger right in that glue. Oh, leave it to me. Leave it to me. Okay. I'm going to add a few little more things, a few little more elements, and I'm just sticking it underneath that wire that is already in there. We're going to kind of mimic just a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. But you can already see just by adding a little bit of floral to this cute little Easter bunny from the Dollar Tree how it really just brings it to life. Okay, I think I'm going to stop there. And if we want to add a few more pieces, we can. But I want to get the bow on it. I just grabbed some 1.5 inch ribbon because I didn't want to cover, oh my gosh, look at this mess. I didn't want to cover up the florals too much. So, and I went with solids. Well, I added a Swiss dot. Okay, so hot pink because we got the hot pink floral. A cute 1.5 inch Swiss dot to break up the pattern. Just a smidgy poo. And then look at this. I was going to put this in the middle. It has a glitter edge. So these two ribbons are from Creek Road Designs TX. They are on Etsy, and if you're shopping with them, use my code AL10 and you'll receive 10% off your order. This is, I think this is Sam's Club ribbon, the hot pink. I did get it last year though, so I don't know if it's still in stock. Okay, we're gonna do an 8-inch tail today. 8-inch tail. I'm thinking probably just a 5-inch loop. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Okay, a 5-inch loop. I kind of think I want to double it. Let's double that up. Let's do 2 on each side. 2 on each side. So we're going to do, yeah, that's going to be cute. Okay, and then we're going to cut off that 8-inch tail. Throw that over to the side. So we have 2 8-inch tails and then 4 5-inch loops. It's already gorgeous. I mean, we could even just leave it pink and I feel like it would be gorgeous, darling. Okay, and then we're going to add in the Swiss dot and we're just going to lay that right on top. We're just going to do 2 of these. I don't think I'm going to, let's shrink it. Okay, so these are going to be 4.5 inch. 4.5 inch. Yeah, just 2. I like that pink. Pink. Pink is my favorite color. Guys, I wish I could sing. Okay. All right. So we got pink. We got the orange. And now we're going to pop in that little bit of yellow. Oh, so cute. pop in that little bit of yellow, and we're just gonna do my little racetrack loop right in the middle with the yellow. Still keeping that 8-inch tail. Racetrack loop in the middle. Oh, that's cute. Yep, that's fun. Or do we want to do a loopity-loop? A really loopy. Let's see. Do we want to make a loopy-loop? Decisions. I think I like it smaller. Let's do a little smaller. And we're going to finish that off with an 8-inch tail. Look how fun that is. Such a bright, beautiful bow. So we're going to take our cable tie and a pipe cleaner. And right where we're holding our bow, we are going to throw in that cable tie right around. Okay. Get it going. Slide that pipe cleaner underneath the cable tie. And then get it really nice and tight. We're going to cut off that extra cable tie. And now we got our cute little bow bowing. Okay. Oh, we got to flip that ribbon. There we go. So cute. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I think I got a little dust on that. There we go. Let me clean this little guy up a little bit. Okay, so we're going to dovetail all of our ends. I'm going to do a little bit of a different sizes. I know I did originally say 8-inch tails, but we are going to do, we're going to make it all different sizes. Oh, I think I'm going to make that orange one a little bit shorter. There we go. I did. I tricked y'all. Oh, yeah. You can see all the tail layers. That's cute. If that doesn't scream spring, I don't know what else would. Okay, so let's get this bow on, and then we'll decide if we need any more floral, but I think sometimes less is more. So we're just going to go right in the middle of that floral and hurt ourselves on the grapevine. Twist that pipe cleaner. It totally just pricked me, that grapevine did. Twist that around. Snip off that extra. Push that pipe cleaner down in so it doesn't scratch our client's door. Okay, I'm also going to clean up some of these random stragglers that I just now noticed. Okay, we're going to pull the bow down and fluff it out. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So pretty. We'll pull those flowers into the bow. How cute would that be? Yes. Okay, and just bring this little guy over here. So now I'm just kind of playing with the florals so nothing gets lost. How cute. Okay, let's show the camera. How cute is that? Should we add a little bit more? Let's play. I just poked. Okay, there is a stray prickler back here. I don't know what keeps on getting me. Back here, but it has got me twice now. Let's see. Do we need to add just a little bit more? Maybe up at the top. Let's see. Yeah, let's add just a little bit up at the top on both sides. And then I think we're going to be good. So I'm just going to slide that now. I'm going to use that bow to kind of manipulate everything. Oh, I already have a pink piece over here. Do we have something else we can... Oh, here we go. This is cute. I have this random prickly... I already have a prickly thing. I don't have a prickly thing on that side, though. Okay, hold on. Let me add this to the side. See my OCD kicking in now? You'll see it. I'm like, wait, this one has a prickly and this one doesn't. And then, okay, hold on. You know, I just put this in here, but I think this needs to go on the other side because I only have one. Okay, hold on. We're going to stick this on this side, and then we're going to add that to that side. Don't worry. Stay with me. Stay with me. See, this is the best part of designing. Don't like something, you just pull it out, put it somewhere else. Okay, we're going to put that underneath there, like that. Don't need another flower though. There's a lot of flowers right there. Take that little, oh no, I was gonna use this guy. I was gonna use this guy. Okay. Yeah, because we have the pink down here, so we'll add a little pink little feathery guy up at the top to mimic the other side. I'm just sliding it now underneath our bow because we have that nice and secured in there with a pipe cleaner. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna add this. That's pretty. Okay, let's add this over here. Kind of balance everything out. Oh, lift up that bow. Okay. Fluff out the bow. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at her. That's cute. Oh yeah. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? I've got all these little stringy things. All these little stringy things. That is so fun. So, you could really just jazz this up, and I got this, I thought $5 for this cute little bunny frame. And this will be such a cute little seller in your Etsy shop. You know, I always like to have stuff that's like low price and high price because you just never know what your client's budget is. So I don't want to outprice myself and only have, you know, high-end stuff in my Etsy shop. So I always like to make sure that I do have some lower priced items in there too. So this would be a perfect lower priced item in your Etsy shop. What do y'all think? Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm gonna hang him up because he's adorable. If you like this tutorial, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I am on TikTok and Facebook. If you want to follow me on all the socials, I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see y'all soon. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, everyone.